Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum and discuss what's happening with it. Right, before we get into that, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel, which is right here. And hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends in the crypto market, make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto. And if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangeko with the 0 at the end. Click this link here. It will take you to my YouTube channel where I post updates on the market and what my take is, basically directional bias, coins that I'm looking at, trading, that sort of stuff. So if you're into that content, like make sure to hit subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well. And this is the link to my Telegram channel where I post the updates that I discuss in this particular video. So if you are interested in this content and staying up to date on the trades that I'm taking, you can join my Telegram group as well. Right, so let's get into Ethereum, right? Something really interesting is happening for Ethereum, right? As you can see here, the price seems to be traversing a descending parallel channel. And since we kind of got a retest of 1280 support level, I feel like the price is going to go up, right? But that said, the major reason why I think Ethereum is going to go up right now is because of Bitcoin, right? And I feel like Bitcoin price is primed to reverse from where it is right now. Although it might go down, it might kind of sweep the swing low formed on June 18th at 17,500-ish. So regardless, right, if we get that, there's going to be another drop, another down move before the price actually goes up. But regardless, the overall trend I feel like is going to be up after we get that, right? And in that case, right, you can see that for Ethereum on a 12-hour time frame, the volume point of control for 2022 is around $1,600. So anywhere from 1,500 to 1,600 seems like a pretty good point of interest for Ethereum. So if you are longing Ethereum here right now or perhaps tomorrow, you can be booking profits at 1,420, which is the first resistance level. You can like take 25% off your trade and then let the rest ride. And the second take profit level is going to be the monthly open at 1553, which is basically the midpoint of the point of interest that I just mentioned, right? Beyond this, even if the price does manage to overcome all of this resistance level here, I feel like the next level is 1730, which is a massive high time frame resistance level that has prevented price from going up for quite some time. Beyond this, right, if you look at this bull flag pattern that is here, although like technically it is not a technically sound pattern, I'm still going to consider this as a bull flag. And the target for this is basically around 2200, 2300. So from a conservative standpoint, I feel like 1400 and 1500 are like good, like if you do long here, are really good places to profits, at least for the short term, right? Until we know what's going to happen with the FOMC. But after the FOMC, if the price still remains bullish, then I feel like we could extend our targets to the high time frame resistance level at 1730 and the FVG at 1820, which has still been unfilled, right? So beyond this, I was expecting Ethereum price to form a double top around $2,000, but that hasn't happened yet. So there is still a potential or like a possibility that the price could form a double top here. Beyond that, we have the bull flag target around 2200, 2300. So that is my take on Ethereum. And let's transition from here to the next segment of this video where I want to talk about how Ethereum and Ethereum ecosystem is gonna be at the center of the next bull run, right? Like, or if not center, if center is like too much of an attention to Ethereum, then I feel like at least the first phase of Ethereum, I mean, the first phase of the next bull run that we're gonna anticipate is gonna include Ethereum and Ethereum related coins. So with that in mind, I want to talk about the recent update, right? Ethereum transition from proof of work to proof of stake via the merge upgrade that took place on September 15th, if I remember correctly. And after that, Ethereum price has, Ethereum has successfully, you can call it a proof of stake blockchain now, right? So a lot of investors are staking right now. And if you look at the percentage share, Lido seems to be dominating the industry of staking, right? If you, hold up. What? Yep, there it is. Right. So if you look at this particular BTC.com website, right, you can see Lido has 30% of all the Ethereum staked on its platform. Right. So a very left curve kind of thinking is that if this, at least a portion of the rewards or the revenue generated by the platform gets accrued to the token, for the token holders, it's going to cause Lido to rally like crazy, right? So with that left curve kind of thinking, you can still expect Lido to rally quite a bit. And so let's segue into the Lido TA right now. Right, what's happening right now from a higher time frame perspective, from a one-day time frame perspective, is that Lido has produced 3 higher highs, and the recent one basically produced some sort of a double bottom here. You can argue it's a double bottom, but it kind of bounced off of this support structure here at 1.6386. So honestly, it would have been a good entry if I did kind of take this here, but I think I bought a couple of spot around. Hold up, let me just check that. Yeah, so I bought Lido around 1.85, so I'm still underwater. Regardless, right? I'm still expecting like this is a long-term play that I'm doing for Lido. So the initial take profit level, like if I do open a long futures position for Lido, I think it's going to be around the point of control for the whole price action, which is around $2. Beyond that, we have the we could potentially form an ascending triangle here. We could already be doing that. So the ascending triangle's horizontal resistance at 2.18 or roughly $2.2 seems like the next take profit level, right? But if you look at this particular expansive move as a single unit, and so I've already drawn a fib level here, you can see that the potential reversal zones extend from $2.5 to $2.8. So yeah, that's like your short-term play, short to mid-term play. If you do long here, you can potentially book profit at 2.18 and then 2.5. I think 2.5 seems like a good place to like exit all your positions, right? So that's basically my whole game plan for Leader. I've already bought a little bit of spot, hoping to add more to it in the future. But yeah, that is what I'm thinking about, right? Like this is the first coin that I've done very brief research on, right? Beyond this, you can look at Ethereum hash rate and where it's migrating to, and then you can start accumulating that coin. Like although this is very similar to pump and dumps. I'm not sure if you can do. It's relatively safe to buy spot and then sell them than opening a futures position, which carries a lot of risk with it, right? So we can look at the hash rate distribution and then play those coins. And the few coins that come to mind are basically Ethereum Classic and then Zilliqa, right? I've already, yeah, so Zilliqa also has the same mining hashing algorithm basically, which is ETH hash. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at, right? And if you look at it from like a one-day time frame in this particular price action here, extending from 18th June all the way to what's happening right now, you can see that the price collected liquidity resting below this 13th July swing low down here, and then the swing low here was the liquidity resting below these swing lows here on 7th September was swept as the price dropped down yesterday. And right now it does seem to be forming some sort of a base here, and it's also hovering inside this falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame, which is also bullish. So I'm expecting this run up to have some sort of trouble around 335. And once we like kind of flip the 35 level into support floor, I think it's going to be a straight run up to the midpoint of this particular range at 40 or 4 or 2, whatever you call that. Right. So that's what I'm expecting, right? Like, and beyond this, we have the range high or like these equal highs formed here at 50, 512. So technically, if you do go up to the range high, it is 60% upswing. Not a lot, right? But if you just zoom out, you can see the price kind of went parabolic here, basically before the merge, which is pre-merge era, and these plays I think have already been exhausted. So even if you do expect the price to revert back to the mean here, revert to the mean, you're looking at I think somewhere around 300% upswing for Zilliqa, right? So that's one way to look at it, right? And then I have a couple of other coins. Like you can look at storage coins. Storage coins are all proof of work coins, but still they require hash rate. So if the miners can repurpose their equipments, I'm not sure if it's possible, but if it could be possible, if it is possible, then I think the hash rate will also flow into these storage coins as well. So with that in mind, I've also looking at these coins. Apart from that, I'm also looking at OG proof of work coins like Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, that is basically my take on Ethereum ecosystem and what you can expect from the next bull run, or potentially like in the rally that's going to happen when Bitcoin goes up to 25, probably 28, 29K. If you want to know more about why I'm bullish right now, although the market is in red, go to my YouTube channel and check out this video that I uploaded today. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this analysis and my take on the markets, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any feedback regarding the videos that we produce here, please make sure to leave your feedbacks in the comment section and I'll check them out. So have a great day. Peace.